School attention. School scientist. School attention. School scientist. School attention. School scientist. School attention. Join your hands and close your eyes. Begin the morning prayer. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Hold it in my heart. I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Hold it in my heart. I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall walk hand in hand. We shall walk hand in hand. We shall walk hand in hand someday. Hold it in my heart. I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Open your eyes and sit down. From third grade to dictate the school pledge, take pledge position. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. Its rich. Wherever it is. Wherever it is. I shall. Always. Try to be. Worthy of it. I shall. Give respect. To my parents. Teachers. All elders. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. And prosperity. Alarm last. My happiness. Today's Vachana by Anushree from UKG grade. ಇಂದಿನ ವಚನ. ಲೋಕದ ಡಂಕು ನೀವೇ ಕಿತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತನ ಸಂತೈಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆರೆಮನೆಯ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. Today's proverb by Mallikarjuna from third grade. Today's proverb. Golden key can open any door. Today's thought for the day by Javis from first grade. Today's thought for the day. Whatever you want, be a good one. Abraham Lincoln. Today's self-talk by Prithvi from LKG grade. Self-talk. East or west, I am the best. I want to succeed in life. I am studying good. I am studying well. I am doing my homework. I have done my homework. introduction by Apura from second grade.
Self-introduction. My name is Apurva. My father's name is Veerbhadra Gowda. My mother's name is Lakshmi. I am 8 years old. I am from Nainapur, Rohan Taluk, Gadag district place. I am studying in second grade. My father is working as teacher. My mother is working as homemaker. We are 7 members in our family. My aim is to become DC in life. I am happy to studying in Sri Achareshwara English Medium School. Malayalu, thank you.
Students gratitude by Srinay from LKG grade.
Student gratitude and grateful for our teachers.
Daily use words by Rekha from LKG grade.
Apple.
Before class prayer by Abid from first grade.
Join your eyes and close your eyes. Dear